Here at Thatcham Research, we fully support the government's Road to Zero strategy, which will see the end of sale of internal combustion engine vehicles by 2035. Battery electric vehicles like the Volkswagen ID.3 behind me look like the solution to the problem. However, at the moment adoption is quite small. Less than 4% of cars on the road at the moment are vehicles that have a battery in them and have lower emissions. Having said that, sales are already increasing based on the government strategy and incentive. And we think that by 2050, 97% of cars on the UK roads will be battery electric vehicles. The thing about battery electric vehicles though is that they present new challenges to the industry, and also there are challenges as a result of consumer adoption. The first of those challenges is that these vehicles actually affect every part of the supply chain of vehicle repair. So from the moment that you have an incident in an electric vehicle through to the point where perhaps it's returned to you, every part of that chain is affected. And what's really important is that the industry has the right awareness of those challenges and the associated dangers of working with electric vehicles. Also that they understand how to handle those vehicles and the batteries, but also that they've got the right training and tools for repair. And the battery, and this is the battery out of this ID.3, is actually the part of the problem at the moment which we don't know how to solve, because it's heavy, it's incredibly costly, and if it happens to be involved in the repair, actually you end up having to replace that whole battery in quite a lot of circumstances. Which means that the consumer experience associated with owning an electric vehicle and repairing it and insuring it in its associated costs may not be met. We're working to address these challenges by building a sustainable repair framework for zero emissions vehicles.